3 persons tested for COVID-19 in Dolomar. Veteran folk artist Mohari Rongpi passes away. Hello and welcome to Karbing Long Life. I'm Julie Hansepe with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In a news coming in from Dolomar, 3 persons of Menpangcho village were tested positive from the coronavirus. Following this, people of the village and the area have become more worried about the spread of the virus. According to locals, the 2 persons identified as a mother and her son had recently visited Guwahati for medical treatment and were being kept at Basagaon LP School quarantine facility upon their return. The woman has reportedly undergone an operation at Guwahati Cancer Hospital and had been undergoing treatment for around 10 years due to swelling on cheeks. A swab test of the mother and son were taken at the LP school and was tested positive after the results were out.
अच्छा लद्दाख नॉन बांग के थॉम पॉजिटिव बांग थॉम क्वारंटाइन के दोंग बांग बहनी के पॉजिटिव पुलिस है ला तुम हम मेंटोनी सी स्वैब टेस्ट के अंदर
ला मासो स्वैब टेस्ट के बांग के एन बांग के तारीख पे नरता घूमती है नी ना लोग प्रोफाइल 3 से लोग ना kan मासो रजल पॉजिटिव को बांग के पता दाप का दाप को पेन लोग दाप बांग के दुबई के कोरोना से रजल बांग ले तुम बांग के Lamet bangke sarki bang hati ke kareng rong pici atat sakya bertoksian bang lo langli Dolomar ke so penjok Guwahati Cancer Hospital se cilang lo Salada Cancer Hospital se cilang kan ke cilang Tony bangke tarik ke pisi dak mulai lo tarik ke pinang lo pensin dak kurangan bila.
Meanwhile, family members told reporters that no assistance was received by them even after 1 week of stay in quarantine, and family members had been providing food and water.
Bang kan lah ada ke dang?
Dang at home.
Kopi pos ke dang?
Lang hai thon dam lo gijo na facility awi mati. School hem long. Hai pot kusumar tu mi thon dam ko.
Ke ani bang la dam ma?
Ani bang mani ani siang bong ai tip ni ke dam nang kok lo. Lang hai thon dam nang kok mati.
Ala sang pini ni ta sarkar pen thang da ve ma.
Awi dang ta. Sarkar pen jong sila hai facility lang kijuna lang ang ton do er lo pulote. Nilitum usumar fan stami ki padam ya pan padam long le de ye polo non ke kijuna lang nang kok. Munit ke mane lang ke juna kok mate jat le vista lang ke nang kok lo si lang. Pini ni bang e thon dam nang kok lo sumar da tu thon dam nang kok lo.
The husband of the patient told reporters that a doctor who treated his wife had tested positive for coronavirus. Arjisan Rongpa reporting from Dolomar for Karbing Long Life. A major fire accident was averted due to timely intervention by neighbors at Palumpi on Thursday morning. According to witnesses, the fire flared up from a gas stove while some food items were being cooked at Dengja fast food corner. On seeing huge blaze from the stove, the cook inside the kitchen immediately splashed water, sand and dust, but it proved counterproductive. On seeing the fire, immediate neighbors jumped to the rescue and managed to extinguish the fire from spreading to other 5 shops nearby. Though major fire accident averted, the fast food corner owner told Karbing Long Life that properties worth around rupees 30,000 have been lost in the blaze.
Tada pula jumlah dak cook bang wang lo, amala bang antun buk lo ma antun ma so gas me pakar pen, alom so thirala gas apa bang me men sini lig dia lo, so lig dia raja ni ma wala me karbo ma me chubuk lo, ki me ala anak deket hello je muni tum ta fast bang sini dalam akhir bang ko dak bok terai tum ya cerucit terapi tum mala tumen pensi, si bang ke mane la an major accident pensi ta si bang ke mane safety bang sendok chilo.
Mohan Teron reporting from Palumpi, Karbing Long Life. In another news coming from Kironi, an ailing man named Mohan Singh Teron is seeking assistance for medical treatment. Let's know more from our correspondent. Mohan Singh Teron is a resident of Langthap village under Kironi police station. He is suffering from pain in the backbone and in his legs. Owing to his illness, Mohan has been going through great difficulties in maintaining his livelihood. Not only for his treatment, he do not have money to buy for his meal. Thus, Mohan Singh earnestly requests for help from the Karbeng Long Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang and all well-wishers. Anyone willing to assist him may contact our Karbeng Long Life correspondent in the 99545 49970. Mohan Teron from Palumpi, Karbeng Long Life. In a sad news coming in from Dilai, veteran folk artist Mohari Rongpi has passed away on July 23 at around 9:50 a.m. in the morning. He was 101. An eminent folk artist who had won awards like Rangsina Sarpo Award conferred by the Karbeng Long Autonomous Council on 23 June 2014 and many others had left this world for his heavenly abode. He was born on June 17, 1919. He breathed his last in his own village, Sikari Kathar under Hidipi. He had left behind his sons Mongal Singh Rongpi and Biren Rongpi, daughters Kare Rongpi and Basapi Rongpi. His last rites will be performed on July 25. Expressing his sorrow on the demise, Dilai Karbi Jutangkanthur Amai advisor Tusheshwar Terang said that the death of Rongpi is a big loss to Karbi society.
Pen birtalong lo jar lengamung karlitang Mohari Rongpi arong coba elu puar yulongsi nitum dak Dilai Jutang tur ramai ahin pen mili et pajar ahin pen ningduk sepak langpon langli pirte kedohut nitu apan sonsuri jutang jubat ason hantar nitu apan nangatan nangapari putat kilun kekan jutang jubat doan karhi garje pangri pangdon karkli gapiyu pendang lok kesoi keret kilun tumu lun tumu anta langli itu pan penang nang tanang peritka.
Bijay Rongpi from Dilai, Karbeng Long Life. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbeng Long Life.